So welcome to another video. We're going to see how you can install YouTube app on your laptop or PC. So to start with, on your Chrome browser, type a YouTube channel's name on the search bar, click one of the videos here. So now on the top right hand corner of your screen, an icon would appear. Or your laptop, click on this icon, click install. You will get a prompt to have YouTube app on pinned to your taskbar. Click on yes. As you see, it is now pinned to the taskbar. Pinning the YouTube app on your taskbar allow for easy access. If you want to uninstall it, click on this hamburger menu. Also on the top right corner, click on it and click uninstall YouTube. Click remove to uninstall. You have the option of also ticking this to remove the data from Chrome browser. So that's how to install YouTube app on your PC. If you find this video interesting, kindly like, comment and subscribe to our channel. When you put on your PC, on your taskbar, you would see the YouTube icon, which we just installed. To access YouTube, click the icon. That's an easy way to go on YouTube on your PC. You would always find the YouTube icon on your taskbar. Thank you.